Hi everyone, it's Sherry from Storm Lake, Iowa. Good to see you all again. I have now successfully survived our first day of school today. So wanted to quick get this posted before tomorrow because I'm pretty sure I'm going to crash and burn tomorrow night. So for those of you who don't remember, if we haven't even talked about it before, I teach ninth grade reading to students who score below 50% on their Iowa assessments. And then I teach dual credit college composition for my seniors. Let's see, my academic background, I have a bachelor's degree in English education, performing arts, psychology, and secondary education from Buena Vista University. And I have my master's in effective teaching strategies from Morningside, Iowa in Sioux City. My hobbies include probably grading papers. I don't think that really counts. I like to read professional books. I'm always looking to improve things or try new things in my classroom. So I have an extensive collection of PD books in my personal library. Again, I live in Sioux City, Iowa. Originally, I'm from Storm Lake, Iowa. As far as family goes, my mom and dad still live in Storm Lake. My sister and her husband, and kids still live here in Sioux City. My brother-in-law is from Venezuela, so we speak a lot of Spanish in our family. But I'm still not very fluent at it, but I do my best. As far as possible research ideas go, I've done quite a bit on professional development design as far as technology integration goes. But I'm trying to, come up with something maybe a little different for this semester's class. And I was thinking maybe something along the lines of effective technology strategies for integration. I think teachers are willing to integrate technology in their classroom, but no one's really taken the time to show them the proper way to do it. So maybe something new this semester. So we'll keep working on getting teachers to integrate technology. So good to see everyone again, and here's to a great semester.